Hello everyone, welcome to the product demo of OptionX. Are you ready to revolutionize your trading experience? With OptionX, you can place all your orders, limit, stop loss, and market orders, with a single click. Managing orders has never been so easy. Let's take a look at the features and widgets of this game-changing platform. Let's start with the watchlist. You can open the watchlist using this icon. You can add any instrument to the watch list using the search bar. Next is the option chain. Here, you can view the option chain for all indices like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex for all expiries. Real-time open interest data helps you identify strong support and resistance zones in the market. Now let's move to the main widget, which is the trading ladder. The trading ladder has two parts. The first is the input panel, where order-related inputs are provided. The second is the trading panel, where the actual order placement happens. The middle column shows real-time price updates. For example, the current price of the Bank Nifty 48,500 call option is 548. The buy-side orders are displayed in the bid column, and all sell-side orders are highlighted in the red offer column. Your open orders will be visible in the buy and sell columns. In the entry panel, you can select overnight and intraday orders. Your net position and P&L are shown here. You can exit positions partially or fully from here, either in percentage or absolute value terms. While trading options or futures, you can select the instrument from the drop-down menu. For example, to trade the Bank Nifty 29th May 48,400 call option, select it and press enter. Placing orders with OptionX is very easy. Now, let's see how to place orders. There are two types of orders, single order and OCO order, which is also known as a bracket order. With both order types, you can place a limit order or a stop-loss order. Let's place a limit order. First, select Single and Limit. I've set the quantity to 15. You can change the quantity using the plus-minus buttons and the add buttons given below. Don't worry about the freeze limit, the system automatically divides the quantity according to the freeze limit. With OptionX, you can trade unlimited quantities with a single click. Currently, we will place an order with a quantity of 15. To place a buy limit order, click in the bid column below the LTP. For instance, the market is currently at 476. If you want to place a buy limit order at 460, click on the green space in front of 460. With just one click, you've placed an order of 15 quantities at 460. Similarly, to place a sell-side limit order, click in the offer column above the LTP. If the market moves up or down, double-click anywhere in the price column to recenter the price, bringing the current market price to the center. Your order is now placed. To manage it, hover over the quantity, and you will see the cancel option. Click to cancel. Let's place another order at the same price. To modify the price by tick size or 5 pays, use the plus and minus buttons. In the tables below, you can see order details, like open orders for the 48,600 call option for 15 quantities at a price of 460.2. To modify the order by large increments, click and hold to drag and drop the order to the new price. For example, you can modify this order to 469 with a simple drag and drop. Tick size sets the price increments in the ladder. For instance, setting a tick size of 2 rupees means prices will be visible in increments of 2 rupees. If the price is above 20 rupees, we suggest setting the tick size to 1 rupee. While placing a market order, the quantity slice feature allows you to divide large orders into small parts. If you set a quantity slice of 90 for an order of 1,995 quantities, multiple orders of 90 quantities each will be placed in the case of market orders. To place a stop-loss order, select the desired price level. For example, if the day's high is 499, and you want to buy on a breakout, set your stop-loss order at 503. This ensures your order executes at the breakout price. OCO, one cancels other, orders, also known as bracket orders, allow you to set a target and stop loss. For example, set a target of 20 points and a stop loss of 10 points. The entry order will fill first, and then either the target or stop loss will fill. If the target is hit, the stop loss order will automatically be cancelled. The Exit All button, or Kill switch, lets you exit all quantities across all options with a single click. Similarly, the Cancel All button lets you cancel multiple open orders simultaneously. You can open multiple ladders and charts at once. For instance, we currently have the ladder for the Bank Nifty at the Money Call and Put option, and the Nifty Call option open, along with the charts for futures and options for analysis. With OptionX, you can efficiently manage your orders and positions on a single screen. OptionX offers an advanced auto stop-loss trailing feature, allowing traders to easily trail and adjust stop-loss orders. For example, if the market price rises by 1 rupee, your stop-loss will also move up by 1 rupee. To enable auto trailing, I will go to my stop-loss order on the ladder and click on this arrow. Now with auto trail enabled, arrow color will change to blue. You can adjust this ratio anytime, such as changing it to 1 to 2, where for every 1 rupee increase in the market price, your stop-loss will move up by 2 rupees. This feature ensures you can lock in profits and minimize losses without manual intervention, and you can still modify orders manually while trailing is active. We hope you found this demo informative and are excited to elevate your trading experience with our platform.